Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video was actually requested recently, and you guys already know I like to be very transparent and informative on my channel. So I was like, why not get it done today? So if you've ever wondered how people are making money online just by sharing product links, today's video is just for you. We're talking all about Amazon affiliate programs, what it is, how it works, and how you can start earning commissions from products people have already been buying every single day. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to sign up, share your links, and start making money with Amazon today. So what is the Amazon Affiliate Program? So the Amazon Affiliate Program, which is officially called Amazon Associates, is a marketplace program which allows creators, bloggers, YouTubers, and business owners to earn money by promoting Amazon products. So before we start talking about how to make money, let's go ahead and talk about the requirements to get started. So first you need a platform. So that means a website, blog, YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, whatever, but it must be active with the original content that's publicly accessible. So the second thing, you must be at least 18 years old and have a standard Amazon account to connect for tracking and payment purposes. Third, your content has to follow Amazon rules, so no adult, violent, or misleading content. Keep it family friendly and professional. Once you're approved, you'll need to make at least 3 sales in the first 180 days to stay in the program. If you do not, your account will be closed, but you can also reapply later. And don't forget, you're required to add a disclosure statement under each video, such as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. And just a quick tip, even small creators can join. You don't have to have thousands of followers. As long as you have an active platform and can generate at least 3 sales in 6 months, you're all good. Okay, so now let's talk about how you earn commissions. So every time you create content or upload a video, whatever product you're talking about in that video, you need to be sharing that affiliate link. So here's the cool part. So if someone clicks on your affiliate link, anything they buy within the next 24 hours counts towards your commission. So even if you share a link for a book, for example, and they end up buying a laptop, you still earn from that sale. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about how you get paid. So they do have 3 options available. They have direct deposit, which is recommended. They have Amazon gift card, and then they have a check, which is the slower option. Both the direct deposit and the Amazon gift card needs to be a minimum of $10 for your payout. Now, this is equally important. When do I get paid? So Amazon pays once a month. Payments are usually sent about 60 days after the end of the month in which you have earned those commissions. For example, you earn commissions in January, you won't see that check until the end of March. So I just started my Amazon affiliate associates account around, I want to say June or July-ish, somewhere around there. So when you set up your Amazon storefront, you're actually going to separate your products per category to make it easier for them to locate it. So as you see, I have my printer here, I have computer/recording, beads, stickers, so on and so forth. Okay. So you don't want them to be like looking around for a product because then they're going to get frustrated. They're going to click off the link and things of that nature. So you don't want that. So you want to make sure everything is very uniform. You want to put your logo up here, your name, so they know that once they click on that link and see this logo, they know they clicked on the correct storefront. I started around June, like the end of May, beginning of June, so around 3 months. So within 3 months, I made almost $600 in commissions, and I feel like that's pretty good. I know with other niches, they probably make more than that, but I'm pretty satisfied with that number. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and head over to the direct deposit or your payment method. Here you can actually set up your bank account information or where you want your earnings to go. So again, they do have the 3 options where you can pay by gift card, which is an e-gift card, pay by check, or direct deposit. Now, my first one, I did receive my direct deposit as a e-gift card just to kind of see how fast I would get it and just the flow of things. See right here where it says June. So the commissions from June, I earned $95, and they're letting me know that on August 1st, because again, they pay you 60 days after. Then also it lets me know on August 30th, that's when I actually received the Amazon gift card. Now, you can choose if you're going to be actually making purchases on Amazon, like to restock your inventory, things of that nature. I would just choose the Amazon gift card. But if you want to actually use this to pay bills or actually purchase things outside of Amazon, choose direct deposit. So I actually use my first gift card for household products. So you can use this to buy your personal care, Pampers, things to restock your inventory. It doesn't have to just cater to your business. This is your money. You can use it however you would like. So as you can see, July commission has ended and is letting me know September 1st that I earned $172.75, which will be available September 30th. Now, what I'm doing now is I probably would just save it for Christmas. That's what I'm thinking. I'm just going to save all of my monthly Amazon gift cards just for Christmas so I can utilize that online, or I might just send it directly to my personal account and put it in a savings account for Christmas, whichever one. I'll probably just leave it in Amazon because I do purchase a lot of Christmas stuff on Amazon. Once you actually start getting a lot of commissions on certain products, there will be like a little link up here somewhere. You don't see it now because I actually clicked on it, but it will give you an option to reveal your ideal list, meaning what are your viewers mainly purchasing? And they'll put it all in one little category for you. So I went ahead and just put that ideal list under my bestsellers. So when you click on this, this is letting me know that 9 times out of 10 or 90% of my community are purchasing these items right here. These are very popular in my list, which is earning me the most commission. So the key benefits of being an Amazon associate is that it is free to join, no upfront cost, millions of products you can promote, almost anything on Amazon. You also have that trust factor. People already trust Amazon, so it's so much easier to get those sales. And the best part is if someone clicks on your link and buys anything within 24 hours, not just the product you shared, you still earn money. So I hope this video was very informative and helpful for anyone thinking about joining. It's one of the easiest ways to start making money online. If you really enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.